Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making some custom press-ons with these Enailcouture gel extensions. I'm not sure what the shape is exactly called. They're like short to medium stilettos in my opinion. I've had them for a while, so I don't really remember what they were classified as, but we're going to be making some press-ons with these Enailcouture tips. So I am just going to be setting them on my nail stands with putty. That is my preference thus far. And I'm going to not buff them for the first time ever. I wanted to try out using primer instead of buffing the nails just as a step to save time. I hate buffing nails. Like, it's so aggravating. So I tried that out in this video. And I will say it works very well. So I'm taking this more of an acid-free primer. This is the first one I ever got, like literally 2 years ago, and I still have like half a bottle. So I figured I would give it a try with this one rather than my more expensive primers, just because I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out. So I'm just doing a thin layer on each nail with this primer, and I'm going to let it dry for a second before I begin to paint them. And these are going to be super cute nails, guys. They are going to be evil eye nails. It also kind of looks like the planchette from like a Ouija board eye, whatever. They're mixed, freestyle, and I am so excited, and I can't wait to wear these. I'm mad that I have these nails on my hands right now because I want to put them on so bad. I can't wait for you to see them at the end. So there we are, all primed up instead of buffing, and I picked out my colors. I'm using 3 of these Rosalind mini polishes from the set that I swatched in a recent video. I'm taking a black, a white, and a blue, and those were the stickers. I picked the blue because the eyeball in those stickers was blue. So I'm just going to paint each of the nails. I'm doing 2 coats, obviously curing in between, and I'm just going to do some nails blue, some nails black, and 1 nail on each hand white, and we're also going to do a little blooming gel effect. So I sped through this clip a little bit. It's just me painting, so I didn't think I needed to do that in real time. Whoops, dropped that there. So I really like these gel polishes. I definitely recommend Rosalind. This was the first time I tried their gels, and they're really, really nice. Super opaque. You could totally get away with 1 coat, but I just always like to do 2 just for the added strength. And these Enailcouture press-ons, they were my absolute favorite. Like, I get really good wear out of them when I do Gel-X. I've never used them for press-ons, I don't believe, so this will be the first time. But recently I've been using Unigella nails, which are available on Amazon. They're what I have on right now, and they are even stronger than these Enailcouture tips. So right now you can see I'm going in with my second coat. I do cure for 60 seconds just to be safe. I think I actually do an extra 30 just because I'm using black and I don't want to have any problems with wrinkling or anything like that. So yeah, but these are super smooth, super easy and quick to work with. And even though they're mini bottles, like, you do get a nice amount. Like, I don't have to keep dipping and dipping, which can be very aggravating. So I'm just going to cure this as well, and then we are going to get to top coating them. I like to top coat my nails before I put the stickers and before I put the charms, just for, again, extra strength, and I feel like stickers stick really well to a non-stick top coated surface. Personally, I don't know, it's just the way that I've been enjoying doing things, and I top coat again just to really seal everything in, because you don't want any of your hard work coming off of your extensions. So that's why I do it like this. This top coat is from Shein. I do throw it out after this. I was using it till it's a very last drop because it's my absolute favorite one. I have to get another one. When I do place an order, I'm gonna get like 3 of them because I just love this top coat so much. I'm pretty sad I finished it, but it's okay. Cure this for 60 seconds, and then I move on to decorating, the fun part, guys. So those stickers right there, these are from Temu. They were in one of my most recent Temu hauls, I believe, and I'm just going to use some tweezers and start applying the stickers however I feel like I want them. Just make sure that you press down the edges really, really well so you don't have any problems. You don't want any edges sticking up, because then you're not going to have a smooth surface when you top coat. So I'm putting 2 on this nail. How cute are those stickers? Like, I'm calling this Evil Eye nails. I don't know if I should have come up with a better name, but that's just what comes to mind for me. So yeah, I switched to those more pointy pointy tweezers, and I'm just putting those only on the black nails. And the other nails, we're going to do some blooming gel art. I am using a base coat as my blooming gel, as always. This one is by Savvyland, and I'm just putting a nice even layer on the white and the blue nails, and then I'm going to take the black Savvyland polish and get to creating my little design, which is super easy, and I've been loving that lately. I think it turns out so cute. Just super simple, and that way I had more black added to the set to be more cohesive with those full black nails. And here I'm just showing you the bottle. Make sure you don't cure in between. Obviously, cure after you put your color and let it bloom. As soon as you're happy with how much it has spread, definitely get it in your lamp as soon as you can, because it will continue to spread. The base gel works so well for this. So if you don't have a blooming gel, you don't need one. You can use your base coat. So that's what that's looking like. Very pretty. I'm going to cure it right away. And I'm going to start on my blue nails. And I'm trying to get more black onto these. And then I'm going to cure them as well. Just doing the same thing again. Very random patterns. I didn't really have anything specific in mind, just it's super simple. Don't think too hard, and get those in your lamp and you're good to go.